Should we talk meme stocks?
You was.
Well, they're powering the Russell 2000 right now. I mean, this is sort of a crazy situation. The small cap index now up 54% over the past year. It's outperforming the S&P. Over that same time, GameStop shares soaring about 6,000% as of yesterday's close, giving it a market cap of $21 billion. AMC up about 720% with a market cap of nearly $25 billion. Joining us right now to discuss the meme stock phenomenon, how it's impacting small cap investing, is Jill Carey-Hall, head of small and mid cap strategy at BofA Securities. Good morning to you, Jill. The question really is, how do you even think about the Russell 2000 in a meme world?
Right. It's a great question. And this phenomena has obviously surged back recently. But, I think obviously it can impact the market over these shorter periods of time where you are seeing a number of these stocks see monstrous moves. But, the good news is that the meme stocks within the Russell 2000 or within the mid cap index, there's a lot less concentration risk. So the largest 10 stocks, of which now GameStop, AMC are among them, they only make up around 3-5% of the index, depending which one you're looking at, versus something like the S&P 500, where you have the 10 largest stocks making up almost 30% of the benchmark. So definitely less concentration risk as these stocks move.
Has this changed how you think about investing in this sort of range of stocks?
We're still positive on small caps, and I think when we've tried to get a sense of how investors are thinking about this as well. So we had surveyed our institutional equities clients, long, short. After the volatility in January, we had surveyed our global wealth and investment management, retail investor base, the Merrill financial advisors. And overall, investors don't really see long-standing risks to small caps. Less than about 5% of the institutional equity investors we surveyed said that they see this as a long-standing risk to the investability of small caps. So, private clients are still bullish on small caps, and we still see more room for small caps to run despite the move that they've had.
Are you playing the meme stock game yourself?
No, I don't invest in individual stocks, but I think
the firm, in terms of how you're advising clients, is there any conversation about, okay, we're going to start trying to identify the next meme stock?
Well, I think when we've surveyed investors, they're certainly interested in knowing, just for their own portfolios, which of these stocks could be the next, Reddit stock. So, some investors might be hesitant to get in front of something like this, but I think investors just want to know, given the moves that they can have, whether there's that up crash risk to some of these stocks, whether they're long or long short. So, we've tried to publish the top mid caps that are experiencing these moves, and they have been more fragile than the overall mid cap market, which is the tendency of stocks to go from periods of calm to stress at a record pace.
I want to know which ones are going to be the next big meme stocks too. Do you have a list of the next ones?
We do. I mean, AMC and GameStop are still, at the top in terms of the number of mentions that we've seen on Reddit's Wall Street Bets forum within the top posts. But, looking at the latest week's data, stocks like Wendy's, WWE, these are some of the new stocks we're starting to see a tick up in mentions. So, whenever we see big changes in this list, we'll continue to publish it. So as a group, these stocks can certainly see potential for outsized moves. Obviously, the data history for alt data like this is not very long, but we think it's worth continuing to monitor, and investors are interested in tracking it.
You just used a phrase which I had not heard before, an up crash. What's an up crash?
I guess when we think about crashes, we think about the market going down, but the pops in these stocks, we had referred to them as up crashes, what we saw recently in January.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.